Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can create a Facebook page. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Facebook profile account. If you do not have a Facebook profile account, to create one, go to your web browser and type in www.facebook.com, and it will pop up saying you should create a new account. Click on create a new account and follow the prompt thereafter. When you have created your account, it should bring you to a page like this. When you are here, click on this hamburger icon right over here. Click on that hamburger icon. Click on it and it will take you to this place here. Go ahead and search for pages. Search for pages right over here. When you search for pages, it should bring you here. You see now, I have not created any page on this profile account. If you haven't created anyone, yours should look like this too. But if you have created, the one that you have created should be like this. However, I'm teaching you how you can create a new Facebook business page. So I believe that you have not created one before. So continue. We have to click on this place here that says create. Click on this icon here that says create. When that is done, it brings us here. Then you want to go ahead and click on this icon here that says get started. Alright, click on the get started right over there, and then you enter your business, your page name. It depends on what you want. So let me name this solid, or let me get a good name, exclusive 001. This is an example business page I'm creating. Okay, so when that is done, you want to select a page category. Now the page category helps Facebook to classify your page under a certain umbrella, so that a particular group of people that is interested in what you do will be able to find you easily. However, I would always advise that for every page you are creating, regardless of the kind of page you are creating, you should always go for digital creator, because this digital creator page, it brings more visibility than every other page. Even if you are selling clothes, you are into bag business, you are into beauty, please go for digital creator, okay, for more visibility for your brand. When that is done, you want to go ahead and click on create icon right over there. Now, good, you see your page. Now you see you have created your page. What best describe your goal? You want to go ahead and answer the prompt. Create content and connect with fans. Promote products or services. You want to go ahead and select the most appropriate one. Alright, so I believe that I would always suggest that you should go for create content and connect with fans. Okay, even if you are using it for business, still click on create content and connect with brand. Another thing I want you to note here is the page health. Okay, whenever you are creating your page, as you are creating your page right now rather, please note the page health. Okay, note the page health. You see this bar right over there? Ensure that this bar gets to 100%, like it's green, and the thing is filled up right to the end. You see it right here? Let me circle this way. You see it right here, right to the end. Okay, ensure that everything is green. So when that is done, you want to click on next, and this should bring us to the next page where you say we should invite our friend. You can go ahead and click invite friends to follow your page. Okay, but if you do not want that, you can click on continue. So this one should bring us there. It says stay informed about your page. Okay, so you want to get notified and all of that. If you do not want notification, you can go ahead and toggle this off. But if you want notification, please go ahead and toggle them on, or leave them just as it is. Then the next thing is to click on done, and this should bring us to our Facebook business page. Voila. So here we are. We have just successfully created a new Facebook business page. This is a welcome message that says, welcome to your new page. You can just start taking a tour. But if you do not want that, please go ahead and turn this off. Okay, go ahead and turn this off. You can click here, go to your profile and just explore your page. Alright, so here we are on our new page we just created. You can go ahead and explore on your page, add different informations if you want to. Okay, you can click on here, then click on edit. If there's any mistake you made while you were creating your page, you may want to create it here. At this point, you want to add in your address, your phone number, email, and every other information that is needed. If you would like to add your link, such as your WhatsApp link, you may want to add it here as well. Please go ahead and put in your cover photo, your profile picture, and even your avatar if you want to. Okay, this is basically how you can create your Facebook page. Go ahead and add a call to action button. Alright, you can edit the call to action button. There are so many call to action buttons. It all depends on what you are doing. Okay, go ahead and click on and follow there. So this is how you can create your Facebook business page. I'll see you on my next tutorial video. However, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, follow my channel so that you'll be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I create content around Facebook. See you on the next one, guys.